Hello everyone. In this session, we will try to see implementation of GSM module in Proteus software using Arduino. This is the symbol for Proteus. Double click, it will get open. I will start a new project. I will give the project name as GSM3. Next, finish. So once you get this window, click on ISIS. The drawing workspace will come, and here are the components. P is the component. This is the diagram what we need to do for the GSM module implementation. This is Arduino board. This is the SIM card, GSM, and then this is the virtual terminal where the transmission, receiving, everything will come. And the information, the same virtual terminal, it will be displayed here. Here a button is also there to activate the process. And now in the workspace, I am going with the component selection. Arduino, select the UNO and click OK. Put the Arduino in workspace. Next component is GSM. And here GSM library, first one I am considering. OK, and keep it somewhere here within the workspace. And select this icon. You will have virtual terminal and put it on the workspace. And now type P from the keyboard. And this is the component taking option. We need a button also, and this is the push button available. OK, and keep it on the workspace. We will take a ground, select this icon. Ground is there. I will connect other side of push button, a ground, and connect this to the ground. Other side of push button to pin number 7 in Arduino. And then from here the transmission to this receiving button, and from here receiving to pin number 1 in Arduino, and this pin number 0 connect it to transmitter of the virtual button. This is our connections. With this connections are completed. Now I will go with the coding. Open the Arduino IDE. This is the icon for Arduino IDE. We have connected all this: push button, virtual terminal, SIM 19900D, Arduino, everything we connected. Now I will copy paste the code. Control A, Control V. If you see here what all we have done, we are including the header file, software serial transmission header file. SIM card 801 is the general name, and button 1 we are defining, Boolean button 1. If we press, it will activate. Then setup, we are activating the button 1, and input pull up, and this 9600 is the baud rate. Begin the serial communication at this baud rate, delay 1000 milliseconds. And in the loop, what we are trying to write, we are reading the button. If the button is low, means we have activated. We just click the button, it will come to low. Button is pressed, will be the message on the serial monitor. We are continuously monitoring the button. If it is pressed, that message will come on the serial monitor. Button is pressed. Then delay 200 milliseconds, and avoid detecting. This delay is to avoid detecting the button press many times. Then send SMS, add this function, and this SIM, if this available, displays on the serial monitor if there is any communication from the module. Then sending SMS, this message will be shown on the serial monitor, sending SMS. And then the SMS, set the module to SMS mode. We are setting the module to SMS mode. Then delay 100 milliseconds. Here you can give the phone number to which message should be sent. Again delay 500 milliseconds. This is the message which will be sent. SIM 801 is working. This is the message that will be sent to the phone number we mentioned in this line. Delay 500 milliseconds. Then required according to the data sheet, it is character 26, it is print number of characters. And then delay 500 milliseconds. Then print what it should print in the monitor. Text is sent, will be printed. Delay 500 milliseconds. So once the code is typed, go to File, Preferences, see that this compile is given, enable, and then click on this tick mark, verify. The code will be executed. Here nothing is here, bottom black color, nothing is displayed here now. When you verify, it will be executed and it will give the Excel file path. Now it is getting executed, the code is getting executed. Once it completes the last line, you will be getting the path of the hex file related to the code. Copy this and then go to Proteus in the Arduino, double click Arduino in the program file. Here paste that path, click on OK. That hex file path is given to Arduino. Also double click on the GSM module. This program file path is empty, means this module will not work. So browse, go to computer, C drive, program data, lab center electronics, Proteus 8 in the library, GSM related library hex file. You have to connect to that module, only then this module will work. Okay, every time you have to check whether that path is activated or not. Now click on the run button. We can see this virtual terminal. Once we press the button, then message will be sent to the phone number, and that information will be given in the virtual display. So I am clicking on the simulation, run the simulation button, left bottom. Now this is the virtual window which is getting opening. It will remain the same unless we press the button. This push button we have to press, only then we are activating to send some message through the GSM module. So until then, this virtual terminal will be blank only. Now I am going with this button just to give one click. Give one click and the button is pressed, sending SMS. Okay, and the phone number is given, text is sent, that SIM is working, that text is sent to that particular phone number. Then we have to properly stop the simulation and then exit. This is stop the simulation, and then we have to properly close it, otherwise the installation software, it will give problem. This is about GSM module in the Proteus software using Arduino IDE. Thank you.